Hey everybody, I'm going to show you this cool little makeshift book I made using the new 49 in Market line, so you'll want to watch this. So here is my latest creation I've made using 49 in Market's ARTOptions Viken, and I wrapped some ribbon around here. I just put that on with an eyelet. But this, I actually created this using a granola bar box. So I just cut it apart. I used some gesso on it. I added some washi tape. I painted a little bit on it. I scuffed it up a little bit with some sandpaper. This is just some paper artsy paint around the edges. And then I also added the rub-ons from the line, and it turned out really nice. I like how that turned out in the front and the back. So let's have a look inside. So in here I added an enclosure, and these are just prong fasteners, so no different than you would find in, say, like similar to like a duotang or a clip. I added some rub-ons inside, and I used some of the papers from the product line, and I cut them all out in different lengths. I rounded some of the corners, and I added some pieces from the ephemera pack, some rub-ons. I put some more paint around the side, and this is what I got. I'm essentially using this as kind of like a traveler's notebook in a sense. So you can add some dates, some times. You can write on the back side with a white marker or a pen, or you can even add some other papers and write on there. So it's kind of neat. Like, you can use this as just a little journal, and you have your creative side, and then you have almost like hidden journaling on the back side. So I like how this one turned out. This one, you can just pull these things out of both the sides. This is such a beautiful line. It's so pretty. And I wanted it because of the watercolor look. I wanted it to have that kind of a vibe in all the add-ons that I did myself. This one I added some gesso, and I put a rub-on over top. So this one will be used in an upcoming holiday, and I will be documenting stuff on there. With the top of these, I scored at 1.5 on all of the papers. So this was just a fast little glimpse into this little creation, which is very easy to make and a lot of fun. And you're using recyclable things when you use it or when you make this kind of creation, so I kind of like that. You could tie that fancy, but I'll just leave that for now. So I just wanted to show you this. Make sure you check out my channel and the description down below, all the links. And if you like my videos, make sure you like them, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell notification and the all so you get all my videos as they come available. I have lots more content coming up soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome day.